Hello, my name is Ellen Snowball. I'm a research analyst at Toronto Rehabilitation Institute, which is part of University Health Network. Today I have the pleasure of introducing you to the Engagement of People with Lived Experience of Dementia, or EPLED, program and advisory group, led by Jennifer Bethel and Catherine Magilton. EPLED is a new cross-cutting program introduced for the CCNA in Phase 2. Our main objectives are to support persons with dementia and care partners to be actively involved in CCNA research, work with others within CCNA to develop these collaborations, and advance the methods of patient engagement. In September 2019, we conducted an online, anonymous survey of CCNA researchers. The results showed that 93% agree that people with lived experience could contribute to research, and many CCNA researchers were already incorporating engagement activities in their work. Many respondents also indicated that barriers to engagement were related to resources such as time and money, and to finding people with lived experience who were interested and knowledgeable about being engaged in research. Suggestions for enabling engagement within CCNA included developing ways to connect researchers and people with lived experience, which led us to develop an initiative to form an advisory group of people with lived experience of dementia. In January 2020, we began the process of recruitment. We encouraged anyone with lived experience with dementia to apply, as well as people who might contribute diverse perspectives or different roles. We reached out to Alzheimer's societies as well as strategy for patient-oriented research support units across Canada to help us get the message out. In March 2020, we were delighted to have received 62 applications from people with lived experience of dementia from all across Canada. It was very difficult to narrow this list down, but after careful consideration, we invited 17 people from diverse backgrounds and geographical locations to join the advisory group. We planned our first meeting to take place in person to give the advisory group some orientation and training, but like many others, we had to move our meetings online because of COVID. Our first meeting focused on introducing the members to one another. At the second meeting, we had a special guest from BC Support Unit, who delivered a Health Research 101 curriculum developed by the Canadian Institutes of Health Research. At the third meeting, Dr. Howard Churko welcomed the advisory group members to the CCNA, providing an overview and answering questions. In September 2020, we developed our website, which, using relevant literature and guidelines, focused its design on being accessible for people with dementia. We have posted our research online and provided a form for visitors to send their feedback. On our website, we also provide information about the advisory group and some other relevant resources. Also on our website, there's a section called Consulting the Advisory Group that provides CCNA researchers and trainees with information about how they can involve the advisory group in their research. There's a form on the website where you can provide some brief information about your study. You can also meet the advisory group at our upcoming workshop as part of CCNA's Science Day on October 30th. You can register for this workshop on the CCNA Science Day site. Thank you for listening, and if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to ellen.snowball@uhn.ca or ask questions here through the event platform.